All right, y'all. So the check engine light may be on my baby. Like I literally just bought the vehicle. It's messed up, but so I'm gonna check, turn the car on now and see if it's still on. If so, man, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might not even do it. It's supposed to do that. The check engine light is on, so it cuts off. No. So I already know. I know you're on the site right now, but make sure you subscribe. Understand me? Yes, sir. The thing look good.
One eternity later.
What's going on? Jesus. What's going on, y'all? Hope y'all having a great day. I'm back with another video. So I'm about to check this check engine light on right now. Why it's on, and I'm getting ready to head to the dealership and see what they tell me. I already know what the code is and everything, and I'll see what they say, and then I'll give you guys my opinion afterwards. If you don't know what's going on the East Coast right now, we have a gas shortage. So everybody is going crazy for gas. I know this lighting is terrible, y'all. Hold on. Everybody's going crazy for gas, and so I'm not gonna drive the car crazy. I don't know how it is in the Scat. Like you can't go crazy because you still might run out of gas. You know what I'm saying? Because this mess burn fast, especially in sport mode and stuff. So, but yeah, I'm going to head there now. And actually, I gotta drop my computer off, and then I'll be headed to the dealership. But I will get back at you guys when I get to the dealership. Alright, y'all, so I am here at the dealership. I just got here to check my car in. Background. And they have a Hellcat out here. I'm looking at it right now. Hold on, I'm about to flip it for y'all. This Hellcat is nice, man. I already said, man, if I was to get a Hellcat, it'll have to be a Challenger. Ooh, it's a stick though. That's why it's still here. Nobody drive that stick. They want it's 2016, 16,000 miles. As is, no dealer warranty. It's nice. I don't know if I like it though. My community service. Oh, this is a V6 or yeah, it's a V6. Alright. I ain't going front. Show some V6 some love. That's a GT. Not bad, not bad. But look, man, somebody trying to be like me over here. I don't understand what they thought. Hopefully y'all can hear me with this wind. Look at this. They trying to be like me, man. They got better rims than me. I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah, man, this is a 2016 Charger Scatpack. Yeah, man, it's not bad. It's not bad. I think my color, is this the same color as mine, y'all? I think mine's a little darker. I think mine is a little darker. kind of look like orange.
What?
I don't know. It's kind of nice though, low key. Let me see. What color do they say it is? Ah, this is the Torrid. Yeah, mine is still a little darker than this, but you know, it is what it is. You understand me? So it's nice. It's nice. Not mine though. It's not mine. Understand me? Yes, sir. Now, this car right here is nice, y'all. But this is also a stick, I believe. So I don't really like this color. It looks better in person though. Bro, the audacity of this dealership trying to hit me with some crap is it's unbelievable, y'all. Unbelievable. So I've been doing some research, and I know why my check engine light is on. It's a faulty exhaust valve. I knew that going into the place. Didn't think it was gonna cost me $1,000 to get it fixed. You heard me right. $1,000, bro. For a faulty exhaust valve? People, the dealership is just a one big ripoff, bro. So the right side is messed up. Who's to say when I get the right side fixed for $1,000, the left side don't break, so I gotta pay another $1,000 for them to fix that side too? $2,000, bro. I can get a whole new exhaust for that. I can get a whole new exhaust, bro. Y'all, I'm here at Chick-fil-A. I'm about to get me something to eat, and I'm going home because this foolishness is out the yin yang, bro. Out the yin yang.
Okay.
Basically, it's the active exhaust system control module, which I already knew this was the code. My dad had already pulled that up. So I've been doing a whole lot of research on it. Yes, I did decline the visit. I'm not about to pay $800 for you to fix a valve that could potentially go wrong again on the other side. They have it set up to where you have to come back. Try to squeeze you into having to come back. But I've been doing some research, and the zautomotive makes these things that can fix that. And so hopefully I'm gonna order the part, and hopefully everything like that will work out. I don't know if I'm gonna complete this video now, but if I do, leave in the comments if you have this issue, with your car, and let me know what you did. So
Several days later.
all right, y'all. So the last clips in this video were I was a little hot. You know, I was a little hot with the dealership, but the part came to fix the car. Here it is right here. And these parts are like so small. Like I kind of thought they jipped me, but no more than what the dealership was about to hit me with. So I'm pretty sure y'all seen videos on this before. Alright, so here we go. This is literally it, y'all. You plug this in to the place it's supposed to go. I don't really know the names. Plug this in, put this on to protect it, zip tie it away. That little part will take away your check engine light, and it will also keep the valves from making that really, really weird noise all the time. So it also keeps your valves open all the time. So I'm about to be extra loud. Well, I have a resonator delete, so I'm thinking I might get a mid-muffler delete too. I don't know. You know, this is what happens when you buy a car from somebody else who already had stuff done to it. You stuck with what they did, so yeah. But the part is here. All right, y'all. Can we just take a minute to look at this wicker bill, bro? This thing looks so good, man. All right, so you guys know we have a hard time jacking this car up on the jacks and stuff. So I went and bought some. Well, my dad went and picked up some ramps, and I even had a hard time backing the car up onto the ramps because I was paranoid. But anyways, we got it up, and so and Dad was able to put the part on. I just want to do a quick shout out to my dad. I know he's not going to watch this video, but everything I buy for this car, he either knows how to put it on already, or he learns how to put it on, you know, just to make sure that I save money and just to keep himself busy. And he's just like that. My dad is just like that. So thank you, Dad. Shout out to you. Thank you for having our back in all of these situations. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I knew where the parts went, but I don't know how to explain it. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of it. If you guys want to see an install video, I will link 2 install videos down below for you. But this is not an install video. I suggest you go and watch them because I don't really know what he did, or I couldn't really explain it to you because I don't know the name of the part it's supposed to go on. I do get the concept, but yeah. All right. So anyways, I'm going to let you guys go, and I'll tell you guys in a little bit if the light turned off. Peace. So y'all, it seems like we've reached the end of the check engine light. It officially went off. It's been 2 days and it is no longer on. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like, share, comment, all of that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video.